What's up, guys? I'm Alex.
I'm Josh.
Brett.
And we're with Let It Ride.
Yes, we are.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Special guest today. We were sponsored by Patrick Adair from Patrick Adair Designs.
Get over here, Pat.
Get over here.
Get over, Patrick.
Come say hi.
Hey, everyone.
He's got a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
So I just make custom rings. So I am kind of inspired by supercars and just cool cars. That's what I'm interested in. And so I do a lot of carbon fiber stuff, things like that. But I thought we'd do a cash prize for whoever wins the race here. Maybe put a little incentive down.
Yes.
So we've got a cash ring right here.
Nice.
You do have to, there is some assembly required if you want to actually take this to the bank.
Oh.
Or you can just wear it as jewelry. That's fine too.
Tentative jewelry.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Yeah, you just stick it on your finger. That works too.
Awesome.
So winner.
So tell us about it though. It's shredded cash.
Yep, it's just literally just shredded cash. We impregnated it with resin. Got it machined down.
This thing is sick. You guys need some of these.
Yeah,
Yes.
seriously.
Well, so what's the name of your channel?
Patrick Adair Designs. So I just make rings. That's what I do.
All sorts of rings. Meteorite rings, carbon fiber, resin. His stuff
custom
is
ring.
sick.
If you have a dream, he can make it.
Yep. You hit him up.
That's right. That's right.
Thanks for hooking us up, man.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, let your dreams be rings.
And
yeah.
you guys will see a lot more of him. We have some special projects we're working on to make with Patrick. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna make them specifically for you guys. So
Yes. Yes.
you guys get ready for it, and we're gonna bring you more exotic cars and more content. So
Well, thanks for coming, Pat.
yeah, thank you.
Thanks for sponsoring it.
And make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you turn on those notifications so you can get all our videos. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I can't believe I just got chewed up by
Dude,
Brett's
Right.
Dude.
Spank.
Well done, Brett.
Sorry, America.
Dude, I couldn't keep in the spool. Dude, your car's just too freaking fast, dude.
It happens.
Well, you know I'm gonna get something else that's gonna race it.
Let's do it. Thanks.
Because I got lots of cars to race.
We got to give a shout out to DT right here.
Hey, thanks guys.
Put that over there.
Giotto.
Thanks guys. We've got
Providing
lots
the
of
whip,
cars.
Corvette.
Yep,
We're
we'll be
gonna
able to
see.
play with a ton more and do stuff like this.
Come back,
Yeah.
check us out. We
Yeah,
got a lot of stuff to
seriously.
do in the future.
Tell us content-wise what you want, and we'll make it for you guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you can see our next video.
Yep.
And then
Patrick, what you got?
I guess we have a winner.
Of course, we did not forget the cash prize. I'm gonna hold true on my word. Brett,
All right.
this ring is now yours.
You didn't get on one knee or anything? Like
I'm
no
gonna give
Well, look, give me a redo.
there's this
Brett.
Brett. Oh, dude, everybody,
Yeah.
Brett. Congratulations.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Oh, good.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna get rid of this crappy rubber ring, and I'm gonna give it over here to Josh.
No, you're
Second
Consolation
place.
prize.
Oh, dude, everyone
That's
here's the winner.
That's not even a real
let
man's
me,
ring.
let me
This is
get
a
it
real
on
man's ring.
the. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's the sweetest thing anyone's ever done.
Oh, true love.
Everyone's a
That's what
winner.
we like.
Okay, guys, be sure to get on Tell them your channel one more time.
Patrick Adair Designs. If you like cool stuff, I make cool stuff.
We'll throw a link in the description. Go check him out. He's
Dude,
been
thanks
awesome
you guys
to
so
us.
much. Yep.
And wait for our next project. Love you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Yeah.